Stop. Don't trade today until you see this analysis before you trade. Aboyi 001 is here. Let me break down the market and see what the market is out for us. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever the time so you are turning in from, you already know my name is Aboyi. You already know what we do in this it is we just analyze the market, but today is Monday, which we start from monthly time frame to see the general view of the market. So let's see what the market has for us because before we before you can trade anything. So before we go to the inside the market, let's check maybe there is high impact news. Maybe there is high impact news. Sorry. Let's see maybe there is high impact news. Yeah, this is today is June of 8, which is there's no high news, only just we should be careful on how the market is going to trade because the market is going to slow. There's no be there yeah, high news means volatility, and which means if there is no news, we move market will just be moving on its own. So let's go to the chart and see what the chart has for us. To all my subscribers, I really appreciate. To all of you, my previous points to your screen, kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn. To all the people that is using my signal, so kindly don't forget to use proper risk management. You understand? So let's quickly see what the chart has for us before we can move. We already know we started from sliver. This is sliver, and this is for monthly time frame. This is the general overview, and this is what we are having on monthly time frame. We plotted our key level. This is our first key level here. You can see these are our key level here, but what you are seeing in the market, you can see the market is going downtrend, and this is the first key level the market is. This is the last higher market just broken. So definitely we are expecting the market to come to this key level before we can continue our uptrend. Seriously, before we can continue our uptrend. So that is key level you can see, and this is another key level here. The market just broken. So if market does not respect this first key level, it's coming to this second key level, and we still have our third key level. You can see because the reason why we say because this is a turning point key level, you can see, and it is from higher time frame. And let's see, this is another key level again. This is a multiple rejection key level here, and let's be focused on this. If the market does not respect those key level we identify, definitely is coming to that multiple rejection key level. So let's be patient, and you can see what the market is doing. Market is giving us downtrend for monthly time frame. So let's be focused. So let's be focused. Let's see what the market has for us. So let's move to weekly time frame. This is a weekly time frame key level, and you can see what the market is doing. Market is giving us the vibe of downtrend. All what market is doing here is just liquidity because this is our first key level here. This is our key level here also, and this is our key level here also. This is the key level here also. You can see the key level, and this is another key level here also. So those are the key level market gave us. Seriously. Those are the key level markets gave us. So we guys be patient. This is what we are. This is what let's be expecting downtrend. This is a liquidity trend. This is a liquidity. This is a liquidity. Seriously, this is a liquidity before market does not break it, and we still have FEG. You can see there's FEG on this weekly key level. We are expecting on this monthly key level because market. Sorry for that. Because market respected higher time frame, and these are higher time frame monthly and what weekly are just a strong key level. So let's just be focused on those key level. So let's be expecting the market to be coming on this. we are not expecting buy anymore seriously, because market does not give us any buy opportunity. So let's be expecting the sell again. Let's see where we can sell. You can see, let's just see. Let's move. Since we have plotted our key level, let's move to for daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. What we do, our swing high. This is our highest swing high, and this is the demand market is coming. This is our swing low. This is the demand swing low. You can see this is internal key. This is internal, but it does not break the structure. So you can see the market does not break the structure. Definitely, this place will serve as liquidity for me. This place will serve as liquidity for me. So this is the key level. This is a key level. Market is going to break, retest, and what? And yes, this is supply. See, I say no. This is a support. This is support. Support. Seriously, it's a support level. It's a support level. So let's be expecting the market, because this is the first touch. You can see, and this is second. So let's see if the market can break it. If the market break it, definitely, but we gotta be patient. And this is our main demand here. This is main demand. This is our swing high, and this is the main demand. And you can see this is our swing high. This is our swing low. So market is in between. All what market is just creating. Market is creating the liquidity inside. So let's be expecting the market to come to this demand before we can see a huge uptrend. So, and the demand is near what is near this monthly key level. Definitely markets buyers are waiting for the market here. So all these ones are liquidity, this is support. So market is going to break it. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is what is our analysis time frame. 4 hour time frame is our analysis time frame. You guys be patient. This is what the market did on 4 hours time frame. This is the what? This is the break of structure. And this is break of structure, and this is the supply. You can see this is the supply that pushes the market up. You can see this is the supply that pushes the market up. On 4 hour self, you can see this supply is just a liquidity sell for me on 4 hour time frame. Let's see. You can see a liquidity straight on 4 hour time frame. But before we can sell a liquidity, we guys be patient. So this is what the market is doing. And let's just read this recent structure. All we just have is just to read this recent structure here. This is break of structure to downtrend. This is another break of structure to downtrend. Break of structure. This is break of structure also. And you can see this is the break of structure to uptrend. This is the last break of structure that give us uptrend, and this is the what? This is the manual demand that break it, that open the market. You can see this has come to breaker block. You can this has come to breaker block. All what we just have now is just to respect, be is just to be anticipating for another sell. So definitely market is coming back here. So our stop loss will be here or here. Our stop loss will be here, and our take profit will be inside this zone again. Let's be expecting another sell inside this zone again. So this is where we are selling the market. So this is what we are having. So before we can sell, we are selling again. We should be expecting the market to break this support. If the market break this support, definitely we are selling again. We are selling and retest again, because This is what the market gave us on daily time frame. This is what the market gave us on daily time frame. This is what the market gave us. So definitely, let's see if we can respect it, because this one is a liquidity for me. This one is a liquidity for me, seriously. So let's see if the market is going to sell again from this breaker block, because you can see this is the demand that's turned to what, breaker block. So let's be expecting another what? Let's be expecting another sell. Let's be expecting another sell, and our stop loss will be above this green candle, and our another sell is going to happen. This is what I am saying. This is what I am seeing. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. You can see this is what 4 hour time frame is giving us. So let's be expecting another sell again. So I'm expecting another sell again. Market is in the key level. Let's see if this key level is going to push it up. So if this key level pushes up, we are what? We are selling again from there. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. I used to say 4 hour and 1 hour time frame are an analysis time frame. Just what we just you need to do on 1 hour time frame is just to redefine the entry. What we just need to do is just to redefine the entry on 1 hour time frame. And this, if we redefine the entry on 1 hour time frame, definitely we are still expecting the market to come to this key level, to this key level. This is where we are selling again. So I'm still expecting the market to come to this key level before I can see a huge sell again. So all what market is created is just what? Is just a liquidity. But there is no news today. There is no news on USA, on US. So definitely we gats be patient. All this one are liquidity because there's FEG, and this FEG was they are strong. This is where the seller enter. They are strong, and this are liquidity. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. If you can see a 15-minute time frame. If you want to take this trade on 15-minute time frame, this is the last break of structure on 15-minute time frame. On 1 hour time frame itself, this is the last break of structure on 1 hour time frame. Near the what? Near the zone, near the supports, near inside the, you can see near the support, and this is what the other block. So let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame, and this is liquidity. If you want to take this sell again, you can just take this sell for 50-minute time frame. You can take this sell from here. But this is a liquidity, seriously, it's a liquidity for me. This is order block, and this is a liquidity here. You can say a double top liquidity here. So we guys be patient. Our take profit will not be much, because this is a our take profit will not be much, maybe 1 to 3. Seriously. On 15-minute time frame, this is the opportunity we see on 15-minute time frame. So let's just focus on 15-minute time frame. If we see any opportunity, we sell the market. You can see, if we see any opportunity, we sell the market. This is a double top, and there's FEG. So this is our liquidity here. So let's see if we can see a huge option before we can sell again. On 15-minute time frame, this is what the 15-minute time frame is giving us. But on 4 hour time frame, this is what is giving us. But if market broken this key level, this other block, this 15-minute other block, it will retest and continue the uptrend. So let's just be patient and be focused. This is what we are seeing. This is what we are seeing. So let's move to gold. Let's see what gold has for us. For monthly time frame, this is the key level for monthly time frame on gold. So they have took off the lights, so I'm coming. That's why I am dark. This is gold. This is what we are seeing on gold. We can see what market is doing. Market is giving us what 5 days of uptrend, but this sell is what is correctional movement. So let's see where the sell can stop. This is the first key level. You can see the key level. This is the first key level here. because this is where the market's broken, and this is where the market's broken. I can see the multiple rejection, first rejection, second rejection, third rejection, before the market's broken it and turn to what, and move to uptrend. So this is our key level here, and this is the second key level also. You can see this is where the market's broken it again. Market's broken this place again. That is our second key level here also. So we gats be patient on monthly time frame. The general overview of the market is giving us what? Is giving us the uptrend, but the sell is giving us what is a correctional movement. So this is what we are seeing, and this is the next key level here. You can see the next key level before market broken it. You can see this is the next key level here, in which this correctional movement that is coming to this key level. And why? And the reason why is because there's FEG here. You can see that FEG on monthly time frame. You can see this key level here is coming here. So there is no key level here, it's just a retracement. So this is another key level. If this does not hold it, definitely this will hold it. So let's move to weekly time frame. This is our weekly time frame, and this is what we are having. This is the key level that give us this weak candle, and this is another key level here, because all this one is a liquidity market has already swept, and this is another key level here. So this another key level also here. If this key level does not hold the market, definitely is coming to this what? Is coming to this key level. And this key level has two opportunity. There is monthly key level there and weekly key level there. So this is what I are seeing in the market, and this is a downtrend market. And this is another key level here. You can see this is another key level also here. So if market broken this key level, it will retest and continue the downtrend. And this is what we are seeing on what on weekly time frame. This is there's FEG down here. So let's move to daily time frame. What we do on daily time frame is not just too much. This our swing high here, and this our swing low here, and this is another swing low here. You can see this is another swing low over here. You can see this is another swing low here, in which this demand. So this is our last break of this is the last break of structure on daily time frame. Break of structure, and this is our demand zone. Yeah. Hmm? Uh, so this is what this is our demand. So if this demand does not hold, this definitely is coming to this what? It's going to this key level. So let's just be patient and be focused. This is the major demand, and you can see. Sorry, on what on what on this also. This is the demand also here. You can see the demand, and this is the last break of structure here. So let's see what the market is doing. Let's move to back to gold. This is our demand here, and this will serve as liquidity because it does not break the structure. Seriously, this serves as liquidity, but this liquidity serve as what? Serve as support also. You can see it serve as what? Support also. It serve as support also. So let's see if market can break it. If market break it, it will retest and continue that trend. And this is what we are seeing on what on weekly time, on daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame. We guys be patient on this 4 hour time frame. Seriously, this is what the market is doing. So we guys be patient on this key level also. This is the downtrend market. BSC, break of structure, and this is a downtrend market also. Break of structure, and this is the what? This is the man. This is the supply that puts the market down, and this has give us our this has given us another supply. Because this is a break of structure market, and this is a break of structure market too. So we guys be patient on this market. But this is where you can see on inside this market we are seeing other block. This is where the seller entered the market, and inside this we are seeing other block here, because there's what this is where the FEG is. Because this is another internal break of structure. Internal break of structure. Sometimes markets expected this, sometimes market does not expect this, and this is what we are seeing, because there's what FEG over there. Let me just plot the FEG. This is the tiny FEG here. That is a tiny FEG over there. So let's see if the market is going to expect it, and we are going to see a sell. Let's see if our Fibonacci retracement is 50% is 50% over there. You can still sell the market from here also. It's 50%. You can still sell the market from here also. And our stop loss will be over here. So this is what I'm seeing. So this is what I'm seeing in the market. So let's be patient and see what the market is doing. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's define the structure on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame, and you can see what 1 hour time frame is giving us. There's opportunity here. So let's just be patient and see what the market is going to do. Seriously. And inside this, we are seeing break of structure here. Inside this key level, you can see this is break of structure here. And this is an order block over here, because there's FEG over there. Hmm? Mi ìmẹ́ni tó ní ẹgbẹ́ sílẹ̀. Mo ní kẹgbẹ́ síbẹ̀ ni ebi ìmẹ́ni tó ní. Okay. So let's just be focused. This is an order block here. This is an order block here. So let's see if we can see another sell from here. But we guys be patient, because we are in what? We are in zone. So our stop loss will be below here. We guys be patient. 1:3 is good. Let's say 1:4 is good, or 1:3. So let me place this opportunity because this is an opportunity for me for us. Right now I'm still using my this um I'm still using foreignness competition account to trade. So let's just be focused. This is an opportunity. So let's take this opportunity. Our stop loss will be our take profit will be what. So I've placed this opportunity. I'm selling the market. This is the opportunity I see today. I'm selling the market 1:3. So let's take this 1:3. So let's move to US 30. This is what I'm seeing. But if this does not hold it, definitely the market is coming back here. It's coming back here to hold it. So let's just be patient. The market is coming back here. If this does not hold it, definitely the market is coming back here and you can see a huge sell. Seriously. So let's move to US 30. What is US 30? US 30 is the 30 company of USA. They match together. So this is what I'm seeing on US 30 for monthly time frame. This is our key level for monthly time frame. You can see this key level. You can see a retracement key level that was touching it again, and this is another key level that market mitigate and what continuing downtrend, and this is what another key level market touches and continuing the uptrend. These are key level here. You can see what market is doing. Market is just retracing 50. If you see if we started using our this, you can see 50% retracement. This is an retracement key level, and you can see this is an uptrend market because from here again to this here, you can see these are 50% retracement. You can see. So let's use the last one again. So market has now retraced 50% for here. You can see what market is doing. You can see what market is doing. So definitely you guys be patient. So this is what we are seeing. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. These are key level here. You can see the last break of structure. These are key level here, and these are key level here also. This is what is happening on weekly time frame. You can see the two key level, and market has given us break of structure. So this is what we are having. So let's move to daily time frame. This is daily time frame, and this is our swing high, and this is our swing low. All what market is doing here is just a liquidity, seriously. So before we can take this market, we got to be patient because this is the break of structure, and before we can take this market, we got to be patient. And there is another key level here. You can see this key level also here. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. You can see an opportunity of 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is giving us, and this is our swing high and this is our swing low. As for me, this is a liquidity. This is a liquidity trend inside. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure market gave us, and this is another break of structure, but this is the last break of structure market gave us on 4 hour time frame. This opportunity I took it, but market took me out and continue. You can see the market has started continuing. So this is what This is what is happening inside the market now. So let's see what the market is doing. Let's say this is a liquidity market just sweat. This is a liquidity market sweater for me. This is a liquidity trend. This is a liquidity sweat. This is a liquidity sweat. So this is what the market is doing. So we guys be patient. Seriously, we guys be patient. We guys be patient. The reason why I said it because this market is inside this the swing high. You can see the market is inside the swing high. So you can see all this one can serve as liquidity. Seriously, all this one can serve as liquidity. After the market, so let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see if we can see opportunity on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. After the liquidity swept, all we just need to be finding now is market structure shift. If we see any market structure shift, we take the what? We take the buy to this key level. So before we can take any market structure shift, let's say we are expecting the market to break this structure. After the market breaking this structure, market will retest and continue the uptrend. And our stop loss will be below here because this is a and we are expecting the market to mitigate here. This is a what? This is an opportunity. This is an opportunity for us because on 1 hour time frame, this is a what? This is a market structure shift and this is a liquidity trade uptrend. So let's be expecting the market to come back to this here before we can see which let's see before we can see which down chop again. So let's move to 15-minute time frame to take this opportunity. This is 15-minute time frame. All what we just need, we can see this is a what? This is a break of structure on 15-minute time frame. And this is an order block here. The reason why I said it that's another block because it's the one that give us the sell, and you can see all this one that is giving us the week, which is not it's not a valid break of structure. It's giving us the week. It's not a valid break of structure. So we guys be patient on this 15-minute time frame. Seriously. If we want to take this trade, we guys wait for the market to break the structure. After the market break the structure, we can take this trade. We can take the what? We can take the opportunity. Let's see 15-minute time frame. If the 15-minute time frame is breaking with full body candle, it will retest and continue the uptrend. And this is where we are taking our take profits. This key level, this swing guy, this is where we are taking our key level, our take profits seriously. So let's be patient and be focused. Let's be patient and be focused seriously. This is what I'm seeing inside the US 30. This is what the US 30 gave us. So let's be patient and be focused. So let's move to GU. This is GU from monthly time frame. This is monthly time frame. This is our key level weeks. You can see this is support and this is what market mitigated again, continue downtrend. And this is our key level again. You can see this is a support, market retest and continue down, retest and continue down. And these are other what? These are other supports here. You can see market has been touching it 1, 2, 3, 4 before market swept the liquidity. You can see market touches again and continue the uptrend. So the gas, if market is continuing, it's coming down, market is coming down here before you can see an huge uptrend again. So let's see 15 minutes. Let's see what weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, what we just need is just our key level. This is our key level here. You can see this is another key level here, and this is our key level here. This is the one that give us the fabric of structure. You can see on weekly time frame, this is a valid break of structure here. This is a valid break of structure on weekly time frame. And these are key level. This is the support that give us this resistance, and these are previous resistance you can see. So let's just see what the market is doing. So let's move to daily time frame. What we do on daily time frame as our swing high and our swing low. What we have here is break of structure here, and this is what we are having. These are break of structure here, in which the market is what is in uptrend, and you can see on monthly time frame. This is where we are expecting the market to retest. But let's see what the market is doing. If we said we should use our Fibonacci retracement from here to here, so all this one market just creating liquidity, but this is 50% market just give us. So market is doing 50%. Let's see if this 50% can still broke this uptrend or is going down trend. So on daily time frame, after we plotted our swing high and our swing, because this is the latest break of structure here, this is our swing high and the swing low, and this is the demand that market gave us. This may serve as liquidity later, because I will still have FEG here, because we still have FEG here. This is a demand market just give us. So let's follow this demand. This is a demand. Let's follow this demand. This may serve as liquidity because there is more FEG here. This may serve as liquidity for us. That may serve as, so let's use Fibonacci retracement. Let's see if you can see maybe it's 50%. So market has mitigated this zone, but it may later serve as what liquidity. But let's just see what the market just have for us from here. This is what the market is having for us. This is the last break of structure from the market. This is the last break of structure from the market. These are internal structure. An internal structure what are liquidity. Internal structure are liquidity, seriously. And this is what the market is giving us. This is demand, and this demand turn towards breaker block. And inside the market, breaker block are used once, seriously. My breaker block has used once. It has mitigated and it has not given us break of structure. So breaker block are used once. Let's say if it can give us break of structure, let's move to 15 minutes. Let's move to what? 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame, and this is what the market is giving us. You can see market does not give us break of structure. All what in this internal structure again. Let's see. Let's read the market. This is a valid break of structure here. Valid break of structure here. Break of structure. You can see we have internal break of structure here, and this is the demand has turned towards breaker block also, because you can see this is the high, this is the market. You can see how the market is giving us that trend. This is the higher low, higher, this is the higher, this is the lower high. Sorry, this is the high that market created. Market gave us lower high. Market give us lower high. Give us another lower high here. So let's be if you can be expecting another downtrend from this FEG, because market is in this FEG. So let's see if you can be expecting another downtrend from here. And our stop loss will be here. So this is what the market is giving us. Let's see if we can expect another, because all these ones serve as liquidity. All these ones serve as liquidity, and this is where we are expecting our take profits, because this is the last break of structure that give us. So let's be expecting here on 4 hours time frame. This is This is the supply that's pushed the market down. So, and our demand is in downtrend. This is, you can see, this is the supply on daily time frame. This is the supply that's pushing the market down. As it's trying to push the market down, you can see the supply, because this is the last break of structure on daily time frame. And this is the supply that is pushing the market down. So let's be expecting if the market can come back here before you can see a huge downtrend. Seriously. Let's be expecting the market to come back here before you can see a huge downtrend. So let's move to 4 hours back. This is where we are expecting the market. Let's be expecting the market here before you can see a huge downtrend. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. If we can define the 1 hour time frame opportunity, this is 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is doing on 1 hour time frame. So let's just be patient. Seriously, let's just be patient. Seriously, we just be patient. We are expecting another set from here. We are expecting another set from here. Let's be expecting another set from here. Let's see 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame, and what 15-minute time frame is giving us a type of uptrend. So we are not taking this trade. All what we have now is just to wait for 4 hour time frame to see where the market is doing. On 4 hour time frame, there is no FEG here. So this is where the FEG is. And let's see if the market, let's see how the Fibonacci retracement. So we guys be patient, seriously. We guys be patient. If the market can retrace it from this FEG here, and this is another breaker block here. So let's see if the market can what can retest from here and continue downtrend. So let's move to EU. Let's see what EU has for us. This is EU also. For monthly time frame, this is what we are having for monthly time frame. These are our key level here. If I see the key level, market just give us. So we are expecting the market to mitigate this here, but this is another key level. This is a liquidity swept here on monthly time frame. So let's just be focused. Let's see what the market is trying to give us. Let's move to daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. Like I say, these are key level here. These are key level, and these are key level here also. Oh yes, let's see. These are key level here also, because market is tested it again. These are another key level here also. Those are the key level over there. And this is the last break also market gave us on 4 hour time frame. You can see this is another break of structure here also. So let's just be patient. So let's move to daily time frame. On daily time frame, this is our swing high, and this is our swing low here. And market has showed this liquidity already. Seriously, market has given us liquidity. The market has mitigated this demand over here. Well, let's see if this demand is going to push it. You can see market. This has turned to key level for us. This has turned to what? Support for us. The reason why I did not use as supply, because this supply, this has not broken the what, the break of structure. This has not give us another break of structure, so we cannot say the supply. So this is our key level, because market, this is a break of structure. Market strength this liquidity, give us mitigate this supply and continue the uptrend. But if you want to read this from daily time frame, this is the last break of structure market gave us. We are using it from here because this is a weak candle. It does not break the structure. and this is a what? Break of structure. And this here the supply. This is the supply that's pushed the market down. Maybe these are what these are previous break of structure here. And this is what we are seeing in the market. So let's just be patient. Let's see what the market has for us. What market has for us? The market is giving us a 5 of downtrend. You can see this is the lower high, and this is the lower high, lower high. So it's a downtrend market. So this is what the market gave us now. This is a what break of structure here. On daily time frame, that is break of structure. All what just have there is what the supply here. This is supply, and let's be expecting another downtrend from here. Oh, this is what I'm seeing. All this is what I'm seeing, and this is a what? This is a liquidity for me. So this is a liquidity. I'm still expecting another sell into this key level here. I'm still expecting another sell into that key level seriously. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame, and this is an unbreaker block market. You can see this is break of structure here. So this is what we are following now. So if we redefine the market, this is where the supply enter the market. This is where the supply is. And on 4 hour time frame, this is an FEG market here. This is an FEG market over here. And we are expecting another sell. And this is what? This is a liquidity here. There is liquidity down. So definitely we are expecting another sell. So market is coming down. Let's be expecting the sell. Yeah. So if you try to use our Fibonacci retracement, I think this will be what? 50%, you can see. So let's be expecting the market down here because this is a liquidity shift and this is market structure shift here. So let's be expecting the market from this FEG. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's be expecting the market from that FEG. On 1 hour time frame, we said we should define the opportunity. This is where you can see if we define the opportunity, this is where we are going to see the opportunity also. So let's just buy. Let's just set the market from this FEG. I'm selling the market from this FEG because on 4 hour time frame, this is what we are seeing on 4 hour time frame. This is break of structure here, and this is unbreaker block. Seriously, it has turned to what? Key level here. So this breaker block is used once. It's not since the market has touched it's not going to touch it again unless we see opportunity for this FEG and continue that sell. Or market broke it and continue the uptrend. So this is what we are seeing. But I'm still waiting for the market to set this liquidity before I can see a huge uptrend. Seriously. So let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ has for us. This is UJ. You can see we said we are expecting the market to from this supply. Let's start from monthly time frame self. This is our key level on monthly time frame. You can see this is our key level. This is our key level here. This is our key level here also. So let's move to weekly time frame. This is where we are expecting the market to touch before we can see any reaction. But we got wait on this key level because market is giving us break of structure. Let's see if this can give us break of structure also. Let's move to daily time frame. This is our weekly time frame. This is our swing high here because this is the last break of structure market gave us. On weekly time frame, this is the last break of structure we are seeing on the market. You can see the last break of structure of the market. So let's just wait. Let's see what the market is doing. As for me, this is a liquidity. If market does not if market does not break this structure with full body candle, this is a liquidity for me. Liquidity, and this is a demand zone. You can see the demand zone. So let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame asks for. This is daily time frame. If we define the structure, this is it. This is a break of structure here, and this is a liquidity if I here, and you can see this is a demand. So let's see if the market is going to break this short. Is going to break this structure, and this is our what? This is our swing high here, and this is our swing low here. So this is what the market is giving. The market has a deposit here. So let's see if you can see which dump here because this is our skill level also. You can see this have as a resistance also. These are resistance. You can see this. This is the first touch. This is the second touch. And let's see if the third touch is going to push it's going to push it down. So since we have seen what we are looking for, this is the demand we can buy again. So let's move to 4 hour time. Let's move to what? Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. You can see what the market is just doing. This is what the market is doing now. This is the last break of structure 4 hours gave us. This is the last break of structure 4 hours gave us inside a break of structure. And this is the demand. This is the demand zone 4 hours gave us. And you can see that demand has turned to what? Has turned to support, has turned to support because it has touched it several times. This is the first time. This, this is the first touch that give us what break of structure. This is the second touch, but it couldn't give us break of structure. You can see. So this is the third touch. So let's see if the market break this. If the market break this support on this 4 hours time frame, 4 hours time it gave us, it will break it and retest and continue. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's go and redefine the market on 1 hour time frame. All what I can see on 1 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame market gave us. You can see the break of structure here. And this is what I can see on 1 hour time frame. This is a break of structure on 1 hour time frame. This is the break of structure on 1 hour time frame. And this is where the opportunity is, and it has turned to what? It has turned to breaker block. This is a breaker block. this is 4 hour support too. So we guys be patient. You see we are having daily resistance here. This is a daily resistance here, you can see. And this is 4 hour support here. And this is 1 hour what? 1 hour 1 hour breaker block here. So I'm still expecting the market to touch this 1 hour before let's be expecting another sell from here into this zone again. So we are selling from here into that zone, into the zone again. So before we can see any reaction. So let's see if the sell is going to happen. So this is what I'm selling. I'm selling from here, from this zone, from this breaker block into this support 4 hour support again. So if this 4 hour support is broken, definitely it will retest and continue the downtrend. So this is what I'm seeing on UJ. Let's move to DJ. GJ, this is what DJ is giving us for monthly time frame also. For monthly time frame, this is what I'm seeing. These are our key level here. These are our key level here, and this is another key level here. You can see the key level market is tested, and this is where this is where the market is on this key level. This key level is trying to push the market down before we can say anything. So, and this is another key level here. So, if the market want to push it down, let's use Fibonacci retracement maybe. So, let's be expecting the market can push the market down. So, let's see if the market is going to push it down from this key level. So, let's move to weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, this is the last break of structure we are having on weekly time frame. And this is our key level here, and this is our key level here also. So as for me, this is a demand zone here on weekly time frame. So we are expecting the market to come to this demand before you can see a huge uptrend. But if this demand does not hold it, definitely it's coming to this key level here because there's FEG here. So let's move to daily time frame. All we just need to do on daily time frame, our swing high and our swing low. This is our swing high here. Sorry, this is our swing high here, and this is our swing low here. So this is the demand. We are expected to come to this demand, and this is our liquidity. All these ones are our liquidity. Market need to sweat before we can see a huge uptrend. So this is our liquidity. So you can see liquidity are down, and this is our resistance market gave us on this daily time frame. You can see that is our resistance. This is what the market gave us on daily time frame. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what we have seen on 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure here. Break of structure, internal break of structure. Mm. And this is the demand. And this demand has come to breaker block. You can see it has come to breaker block for me because the market touched it with full body candle. It has turned to breaker block for me. So this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing. So let's move to let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is trying to give us. This is 1 hour time frame. You can see the breaker block. So let's just let's just set the market from here. If the breaker block is going to hold it, because we still have FED, we are setting the market from here. Let's see if this breaker block is going to hold it, and we are taking our take profits here on this key level. Market is coming down, down, down here. I think market is coming to this key level also, but DJ is faster than what you. These are our first key level here because it's the one that give us break of structure here. So market is coming down here. So let's see if we can see a huge downtrend, and our stop loss will be below here. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. You can see what 1 hour time frame is giving us. So let's just be patient. Let's see what the market has for us. Let's just, if we say we see redefine the entry from here. So on 1 hour time frame, we have redefined the entry. So this is what I'm seeing on UD also. We can see we are selling from this breaker block on what, on this one also. We are selling from this breaker block also. On this, we are selling from here also, but the market is giving us the buy of buy before we can sell. So it's better on how to take this buy. I'm not taking this buy unless the market broke this place and retest and continue the uptrend. That is how we can take this buy. If you want to take this buy, we guys wait for the market to break and retest. On GU, we guys wait for this market to break and retest. And this is US 30. As I said that we are guys wait for the market on US 30 also. We guys wait for the market to break and retest. On XAGUSD, this way I'm selling the sell. So let's just be patient. Thanks. So those are the opportunity I'm seeing in the market. On Steve also, this is where I'm seeing the opportunity. This is liquidity. So let's see if the same can happen. So let's move to BTC. Let's move to let's move to crypto. Let's see what crypto has for us. Hmm. Okay, shey. So this is so this is what I'm seeing on BTC. These are our key level on monthly time frame. These are our key level. You can see these are our key level here also. It's the one that brings the structure, market test and give us downtrend. And this is the key level market is. But BTC is giving us the power of downtrend. This is a correctional movement trend. You can see because there's FEG here, there's key level also here. So let's be expecting a huge drop or what on BTC or market, or this place can push the market up because you can see if let's use Fibonacci retracement. This can push the market up, so we gats be patient. This can push the market up, we gats be patient because those investors are here. Those investors are here. You can see this is a key level. So in which investors are here waiting for the market. So let's move to weekly time frame. This is our key level. You can see this key level here. These are major key level here, and these are our key level also here. So we guys be patient, and these are our key level here. So if this resistance, if this what, if this monthly, you can see it does not break with full body candle. So let's be expecting another sell from this key level, from this monthly key level here. Let's be expecting another sell. So let's move to daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. As for me, this is a retracement that is turning to what? It's turning to, but it does not give us what? Break of structure, because this are we can do it. It's our liquidity swept. This place our liquidity swept for me. It's our liquidity swept. Seriously. This our liquidity swept. and this is our swing high here. But this swing high have not given us break of structure seriously. So what the market is giving us the vibe of what uptrend. So let's see 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is giving us. On 4 hour time frame, this is the last break of structure we are having. This is on the break of structure, and this is a supply zone. This is a supply zone. So let's see if this market is going downtrend or not. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is the vibe 1 hour time frame is giving us. You can see the break of structure here. This is the vibe the 1 hour time frame is giving us. So this is the last break of structure to uptrend. But this is not a valid uptrend, is a liquidity swept. You can see this is a liquidity swept here because it's a weak candle that's just weak there. So let's see if the market can come back here to this other block. Let's see what the market has for us here. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's go and check the opportunity of 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame, and this is what the market is giving us on 15-minute time frame. You can see we are having what? We are having break of structure to uptrend. But we guys be patient too, because market is what? Market has already touched the what? Has already touched the supply zone. And this is a inducement opportunity. This is an inducement. So we'll see if the market is going to expect this other block. Let's see if market is going to expect this other block. But I'm still seeing liquidity here. No, market accept it, people. I'm sorry. You guys be patient very well. You can see I'm still seeing liquidity here. Maybe there's FEG over here. So let's see if the market can push the market. Let's see if we can push the market up from here. So this is what I'm saying. Let's move to Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum has for us also. Ethereum, this is what Ethereum has. This is a key level here. This is our key level here also. This is the key level here also, and this is the last key level we are expecting the market to mitigate it. So let's move to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, this is the last break of structure on weekly time frame, and this is the key level here. You can see, and this is the key level here also. So let's see what the market is giving us on weekly time frame. Market is giving us 5 of break of structure here. You can see break of structure, but on BTC we did not see break of structure. You can see just liquidity trade. So we guys be patient. Hey, sorry, we guys be patient. We guys be patient. On this monthly time frame, I'm seeing a what? A key level here. You can see the key level also. Monthly key level. You can see the monthly key level from here. So we guys be patient. Let's move to weekly time frame. So let's see if we can see a retracement from here also, because this is key level we are expecting the market to mitigate it. So on daily time frame, we can say this is our swing high because it gives us break of structure. We can say this is our swing high, and this has turned to turning point, which is our swing low here. So let's be expecting another sell from this monthly key level here. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. We can see a huge uptrend. This is 4 hour time frame. This is a liquidity swept, but this 4 hour time frame is not giving me the vibes of what. Well, let's see 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is giving. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is an uptrend. This is a big structure here, and this break of structure, and this is what breaker block. And breaker block is normally used at once. If breaker block is used once, it's not useful anymore again. So this is the break of structure here. And let's see, this is the FEG market is. So let's see if this market is respecting this FEG. Or if the market is not, this market is coming to this, because you can see which uptrend again. So let's see. Let's move to 150-minute time frame. This is 50-minute time frame. This is what the market is giving us of 50-minute time frame. Let's move to this 50-minute time frame is not. Let's move to 5-minute time frame. This is 5-minute time frame. You can see this is a what? This is a liquidity shift. This is a market structure shift, uptrend, FEG. So this is market is giving us the oil of FEG, 5 of uptrend also. But before we can take this uptrend, we gas be patient seriously. And on 50-minute time frame, if you want to take this uptrend, we gas wait for the market here. Seriously, we gas wait for the market here to retest and continue the uptrend. So where can we take our take profits? The nearest key level here is here, because this is the last break of structure and this is the nearest key level here. So this is what I'm saying. Thanks, I really appreciate. If you want more of this, kindly don't forget to press the don't turn on kindly don't forget to press the notification button, subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from this video. This week is going to this month and this month you are going to be a profitable and successful trader. This week is going to favor us. Peace and love. Have a successful day ahead. Have a successful week ahead. Thanks.